Friends, now we are going to do with our third part B third program, where it says to design Windows form application to order pizza in a restaurant. Select pizza size using radio buttons, toppings using check buttons, quality using numericUpDown. PictureBox should be displayed in the image of pizza with selected toppings. So, two conditions. Where buttons should display order, another pizza, variety and clear. Okay, so that thing is there. Toppings using checkboxes, pizza size using radio buttons, right? So that is there. What you have to do is use the extra. So they are given with their costs given, right? So we have to apply these logic and prepare this menu, this slide, right? Prepare this form using Windows form. So I just create new project, as let it be on Windows, then Windows Forms application, say OK, then we'll get the form like this, where I can resize the form in my way like this. I just make it little bit big so that it should we can place the things whatever we need. Okay, you can make any size by dragging, where when the arrow comes, arrow is double edit, right? So I have made this in this way. Now I add PictureBox in the beginning. So just click here, it will come and place it in between of the form. Just make your own size. Get a proper size, and now add a group box. Go to tool, select group box and drag it here to place. First group box contains radio buttons. Just double click, which will come in here. Control and left click. First leave the left click, then control and left click, drag, leave the left click and control. Now the three buttons, radio buttons, are done. Select on the group box. Select on the group box. Let the properties window should be docked like this. Make it docked, then it will come like this. Now if I go to text content, I'll just make it size, right? Now I just click on radio button and make the radio button as small, right? Now similarly select the other thing to make it medium. Similarly the other with the large, right? So this is the size, and I double click here, come back. Now similarly I make another group box. Let it be a size of this size. Now click outside somewhere else, then click on group box in the tool box, right? Now give the name with the little bit big because the checkboxes that you place in are 4. Similarly, control and left click and control and left click and drag and leave left click and then control and left click, drag, leave left click and then control. Right, now you got 4 things. Just click on one to change its text as extra cheese. Similarly for more olives. Similarly for onions and mushroom. Click outside, change group box 2 to toppings. Right, now you got a proper size for this. Just double click here, then come back. Now we got all the thing that we need, right? Wait, no, not that. Just click away and then make this placement in a proper way. Right, now I have done with this. I want to place one more label here. Just drag it here to type on text as a quantity. Wait, yeah. Right, after topping it in, you select toolbox numeric up down. Just place it here. Since it's a single digit, you can make it as right. Now I make it make its quantity value always 1. Okay, make it always 1. To display always 1, right? And make it this one selected true. Okay, so always use the value true. Checked, make it true. The first one only, right? This one I don't need because it may not be able, right? Okay, now you add buttons. Make it center aligned, go to text, order, right? Control and select, drag, leave the left control, then leave the left, then control, right? Control and left click, leave the left click first, then control. Okay, so here you change the order to another variety, right? And clear, cancel or clear. right. So this thing is done. Now add one more label here. Okay, then you add rich text format. Rich text box here below the label to make enough width for that. Change its color, back color. Change its back color window to control. Okay, and border style none. So this is also done. Of course, almost you are done with it. You just select these things, then change the font to 10, right, and bold as true, right. Make it 10, bold as true, and this one make size 12. 10 is enough. I just making that placement so that it should appear clearly, right. Okay, so ಇಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you are done with it. Quality ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. You can run meanwhile. You will get the thing like this. The picture box does not contain anything, so it's not showing. Just close it, and I use image list to place those text to place those images. Just click here and type im list. So I just place the image list here. Go to the values by 250. I'm not getting comma here. Right, 250 comma 250. Right. Depth of 32-bit. Choose images, add image, then go to those 16 images, select those 16 and open. Enough, that's it. Add 16, then that's it. Don't click anything, just say okay. Then those images are also listed now, right. So almost it's done. One few more things to be on properties. Just go click on here, and since I have double clicked here, these two checkbox and first checkbox and first radio button I have double clicked. I just go to the second radio button, and now what you have to do is just click on the second radio button and go to the after properties there are events. Go to proper event. Okay, then here search for checked changed. Okay, search for this one, should be double clicked. Okay, after double clicking it, it will go to here, right. Come back, then select the second one, go to select the second button, second radio button, go to events here, then check, go in MySC, go for checked changed, right. Then click here to search what is there, right. So what you have to do is you click here, then you will get the corresponding according to this is radio button. You click on this radio button. If it is this, then you click this, right? It should be in a proper way, right? So now what you have to do is click on radio button 1. The same function should work for these 3. That's why this arrangement is right. Then okay, similarly you go for the third radio button. What you have to do, go to the same events window, then go for checked changed. That should be in checked changed. Then you click on radio button 1. That's done. Okay, similarly you go for checkbox. Here what you have to do is, for since it is a checkbox, click on checkbox only, right? Now I click here checkbox 1. Similarly for the third one, checkbox 1 checked change. Then checkbox 1 not radio. Checkbox 1 checked change. Then done. Okay, so this one I made it 1. This one I made it the all settings are done. Even label is also here. Just drag down here. Even label 2 is also there, and rich text box is also ready. Okay, it is in a proper way. Now you can align it. If you get more space in, just align it as it is. Then you check for any other changes. Done. Right, almost done. You want to display the one image around here, that picture box. Just double click here, go to the loading, form load, then you can type it here. As you know that picture box 1 dot picture box 1 dot value equal dot image. Text box 1 dot image equals image list dot images, right? 1 images 0, then semicolon. That's it. That's what it is given here. That's what. Yeah, now if I run this, you will get the image displaying over there, right? In a proper way. So that's how the arrangement is done. Now you go for coding, remaining coding. Okay, now you can go our number under order, double click on the order to get coding for the order, right? Okay, so this is almost is done. Now we apply coding. We apply some thing like it. Okay, you have to create a struct called pizza. Right now in the form 1, public form 1, what you have to do is shell form. Initialize component, that will come by automatic, don't worry. On form load, I have loaded the picture. I have to show one label, for which I have to create one more field. After that, I have to display show label. Show label is a method where I have created a private void label where it displays the separate method, right? That's in a show label. Next, what your radio button? Show label. Radio button 1 clicked. Use the show label wherever the first radio button 1, make a show label. Then you have to display the show label. Same function in the checkbox 1 also. And it has variable called cell image. I just copy it, paste after the checkbox 1 is clicked. If all the things are checked, then I have to return with these things after the show label, right? Fine, that thing is over. For the numeric up and down, we have to show. For everything, we have to call the show label. For numeric up and down, value changed. Okay, that is the thing. For that, you just go to design, double click here. I have to show the label. That's it. Right, what you have to do? This value changed. For that you have this thing, right? Fine, no problem. Now what you have to do? Okay, total. You have to create one more method called private double total, where you return value with price. Okay, to declare one more method called double total amount, right? Okay, and we have to declare one more method called clear all. Okay, we'll call this method. Okay, then button 2, that is okay. For the button 2, it means add variety. I just go back and button 2 is double clicked, and there I have to paste this thing, clear all and add variety. Right, next button 3 is pressed. You have to clear all the thing. Go back and double click on the clear. Now you paste these things. Now orders dot clear. Orders dot clear. What is orders? Still here I have order 1, right? Control C. I'll just go back, go to the orders, double click. Now I get here, I paste it here. Yeah, this one is a dictionary. That's why it is coming here. So on the form 1 load, what you have to do is, after class form 1 form, public partial class form 1 form, have to declare one order. So that order is a dictionary. So in that you will get a get order detail. I want to add function. I must add one function for get order detail. Where is that get order detail? Okay, that is not declared. Order deal. So now we have the private button 1. After that private button, I must need a get to final total. Wait. There is a problem with final total. Now it is okay. Final total plus equals p dot amount. Here also we have a problem with the final total. Wait. Go to end. I have to fix with it. So is final total is declared? Please check the final total is declared or not. I think it is problem with this copy paste. Yeah, now it will not, it will go with the I will get order detail. Yes, this one, private get order detail. You just come down. Yes, still here. Okay, so if you add this get order detail, then you will get no error. Wait. There are so many functions. Clear all. Before that clear all, I will add this. Yeah, this is what I think I got the error out. Now almost no error in my bug, in my code. Almost no error. Just save it, save all, and run. So now I'll get the this thing. Now it should be on extra cheese, extra olive oil, onions. Then I can increase the quantity here. 3 order that is placed. Now I can add another variety like this. I should go for medium onion and olives. Then order. So that is also added. Total grand total I'll get. Okay. And I can also add one more order. It's large olives. I want to have 2 quantity, then order. So the total will come like this. This is how it goes. It little bit add. We have to add some more functions like this. I just close with clear will work, right? Clear. One small piece of no tapping. It always there. Okay. If you go for order, then only it will goes, right? Just close it. Of course, there are few extra fields that you have to add. What are those? What are those? You have to create one function called total amount show label, right? These are extra functions you need to get order detail, which contains, depending on the radio button and checkbox, this get order detail is updated, and this is called by and clear all. To clear all, what all the things to be made false checkbox ಮತ್ತೆ radio button ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಬಟನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇರುವುದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಟನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್, ಬಟನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ? ಬಟನ್ 3 ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ 2 ಡಾಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಚ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟನ್ 3 ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ವೇರ್ ರಿಚ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಶೋ ಲೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 1 is selected, at least 1 ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ರನ್ ದಿ is at least small and no tappings and quantity 1 ಅಂತೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಂತೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್. Now I play medium olives quantity 2, then I put order, then I add another variety with large and mushrooms and order. So that is totally is added. So this is how it runs. A little bit preparations has to be done, and so many methods which you create. Using those methods you call the call in the button 1 and button 2 and button 3. Right, so this is how you do. Please do with all these